Ever wondered why we catch a cold or flu so often? These illnesses are caused by viruses like rhinovirus and influenza virus. They're highly adaptable and exploit our immune system's weaknesses, causing frequent infections. They spread easily through a sneeze, handshake, or touching contaminated surfaces. Colds and flu peak during colder months when viruses thrive in cold, dry air. Now that we have an idea about what causes these familiar foes, let's delve into the symptoms to watch out for. How can we tell if it's a cold or the flu? Let's look at some common symptoms. Just as every war has its own set of identifying markers, the battle against colds and the flu also has telltale signs. These symptoms are the body's way of signaling that the immune system is engaged in a fight. Colds often make a quieter entrance. They sneak up on us, starting with a sore throat that later teams up with a runny nose. Soon, a dry, scratchy cough joins the mix, often accompanied by a mild headache. Fatigue also tends to creep in, subtly nudging us to slow down and rest. On the other hand, the flu is more like a storm that hits hard and fast. It brings along a fever that makes us feel like we're burning up from the inside. Severe aches and pains, as if we've been doing intense workouts, are also part of the package. Fatigue and weakness set in, making even simple tasks seem Herculean. Chest discomfort and a cough often follow, making it harder to breathe freely. But how do we tell the difference between the two? Well, the intensity and speed of onset are key clues. The flu symptoms are generally more severe and appear rapidly, while cold symptoms are milder and develop slowly. Take note, though, that these are general guidelines, and individual experiences can vary. Some may have a high fever with a cold, while others may not have a fever at all with the flu. The presence of certain symptoms, like a severe headache or chest discomfort, should prompt immediate medical attention, regardless of whether it's a cold or flu. It's crucial to remember that while both colds and flu can make us feel miserable, the flu can lead to serious complications, especially in vulnerable populations like the elderly, young children, and those with chronic illnesses. Knowing what to look for can help us respond better. But what can we do to prevent these infections? Prevention is better than cure, isn't it? So how can we prevent cold and flu? There's no surefire method to completely dodge these ailments, as the variables involved are many. However, there are ways to lessen your chances. Hygiene is key. Regular hand washing, particularly before eating or touching your face, can be a strong weapon. If soap isn't available, use hand sanitizers. Avoid close contact with sick individuals. Viruses spread through droplets when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Maintain a safe distance from them and clean shared surfaces often. A strong immune system is crucial. Consuming a balanced diet, exercising regularly, getting sufficient sleep, and managing stress contribute to your immunity. Over-the-counter medicines can alleviate symptoms. If symptoms persist or are severe, seek medical help. Annual flu vaccinations are an effective prevention strategy. The vaccine prepares your immune system against predicted virus strains. So, remember, guarding against cold and flu involves hygiene, balanced lifestyle, and proactive self-care. Your health is in your hands.
To wrap up, cold and flu are common but preventable ailments. We've explored their prevalence, particularly during seasonal peaks, and identified key symptoms to look out for. Armed with this knowledge, you can better guard against these foes. Remember, the best defense includes a combination of preventive measures like maintaining good hygiene, adopting a healthy lifestyle, and staying informed about the latest remedies. Stay healthy, stay informed, and remember, a little care can go a long way in keeping you safe from the common cold and flu.